Good morning, guys! Anong ginawa ko? Tinanggal ko na naman siya. Pinil ko na naman siya. Kasi it was just a bit annoying na parang meron siyang bump doon. So, don't do it. I just do it because I'm savage, but don't do it. Kasi parang mas lalong nagtatagal siya dyan and magsascar yan. Sinong may kasalanan? Edi ako. Edi wow. Tapos ko lang mag-edit ng video. Ito yung vlog ko kahapon na inedit ko agad-agad. And then, I'm editing the OOTW. Outfit of the Week video, guys, na I filmed last month. Tapos, I just couldn't get my hands on editing it. But I edited it, not finished yet. Kailangan ko pang gawin yung intro. That's bothering me. Let's cover that. Intro at saka voiceover doon sa video na yon sa OOTW. And yung agenda today is to assemble my makeup storage na binili namin sa IKEA on Sunday. Wrap Archer's gift. So, meron kaming dalawa dito. Ito, guys, binili namin sa Kmart. Ito yung go-to na gift ni Dan. Sabi niya, you can never go wrong with this toy. You press this little button here. Shoot, that's actually scary. I don't know. Go to, ano din to Dan? Go to gift. I think this, you have to press this one. Wait, saan? Ano? Ay, yun pala. Edi wow. Merong dalawang gift si Archie. Ano ko siya? Parang, and ito, dinosaur din yung ano niya, gift wrap na pinili namin. So, I would just wrap that, and then after that, oh my gosh, I need to turn off the heater. It's been on for like 2 hours, and medyo mainit na. Mainit pa naman sa labas. Mainit siya tingnan, pero I know hindi yan mainit, niluloko tayo niyan. Mainit siya tingnan, pero malamig pala. Like dito sa side na to. Like dito sa part na to ng bahay, malamig. I'll just close that to keep the heat in here. And I will wrap the gift. And then start assembling the makeup storage. And we will have dinner as well today with some of my workmates. Hindi lahat. Konti lang. Hindi ako nag-organize ng dinner. Si Jess yung nag-organize ng dinner. So, siya yung nag-invite sa mga taong pupunta sa dinner. In-invite niya ako. And I couldn't say no because I love that girl. Pero, yeah. Okay. Ito. And then, gunting. And then that's it. Let's wrap this present. I like wrapping presents, guys. Nung si Dan pa, yung siya pa mag-isa dito, he doesn't really care kung paano niya i-wrap yung gift. Ako kasi, gusto ko yung mga ganito, yung mga wrap-wrap, yung mga, alam niyo naman, yung mga tahi-tahi, ganun-ganun. Tahi at saka wrap. Parang, ang layo naman sa isa't isa. Pero you know what I mean, yung mga ganun. Anyway, let's wrap this present. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-wrap kasi gusto ko, like, you know, malaking weight. Madilim! Gusto ko malaki na, present. Kaya lang, parang, dalawang separate boxes kasi sila. So, I do not know. Pag ganyan na lang. Para isa. Yeah, pag ganyan na lang. Gaganunin ko, Yan. So, ididikit ko tong dalawang to. Or actually, dalawang magkaibang present na lang. Why not, diba? Nakakatakot si dinosaur. Despacito, pasito. Dikit ko muna ikaw dyan. I want you to dikit-dikit. Tula dinosaur. Let's dikit-dikit yo. Para maging isa kayong dalawa. Hala, manunod ako ng lalo na song right today. Oops. Or siguro mo yan. Kailangan ko magtrabaho bukas, guys. And yung shift ko, sobrang aga. Alas 7:30 ng umaga. Sabado at saka linggo, may trabaho ako at saka sa Monday. Tapos Tuesday off ko na naman. Yums. Ayan, natapos ko siya, guys. Tsaka yung ito, sana transparent siya, but that's okay. Maganda kasi to kasi hindi siya ganun ka sobrang madikit. So kapag bata, madali lang siya i-open. Yan. Ganyan. Perfect. Okay, guys. It's time to assemble this. So, ito yung nabili namin sa IKEA. Hala, mabigat pala siya, besh. Ano to? Hindi siya wood. Metal siya, guys. Ganito sana yung itsura niya. Oh my gosh, mabigat. Mabigat. Ow. Ow. Sabi ni Dan sa akin, i-assemble daw namin sa Sabado. Anong mangyayari sa Sabado? May trabaho ako, tapos manonood pa kami ng footy. So after work, pupunta ako ng Oval para panoorin ang footy na yan. Tapos, siguro before footy, pupunta ako sa Daiso. Kailangan kong bumili nung ano namin, Q-tips. Kasi paubos na, guys. And gusto yun ni Dan, yung black na Q-tips. Oh, yes. Okay. Uh-oh. Patay na. Wait. Kailangan ko na instruction, please. Ito, may maliit na papel. Okay. Hala? Ay, papel lang pala, besh. Papel lang pala siya. Parang ano yan. Hindi ko alam. Nasaan yung instruction? Ano na? Wala. Nandito. Nakikita ko. Ay! Parang hindi ko pa na-assemble. Nasira ko na. Iba pala. Nasa likod pala ako. Yung harap nandito. Sa kabila. Wait. I-ano natin. Oh my gosh, good luck. Oops. Bakit ang big? Eto na. Halma! Yan. Yan siya, guys. Okay. Oh my gosh. Bakit hindi naman parang ganyan? Okay. So, yan. Okay. Diyan na muna kayo. Wait. Parang, sana hindi masira yung nails ko. Sana hindi maputol. Diyan ka muna. Ang gilid. Unahin natin yung gilid. Yung stand. Pag ganyan. So, sa likod ikaw. Pag ganyan. Wait. Mali. Pag ganyan ikaw. Nope. Ano na? Ganyan diba? Or baka dito siya. Dito ba ikaw? Oh, yes! May isa na, guys! Okay. I like this. This is good. First item ko kasi ito from IKEA na i-assemble talaga. Guys, I have one! Ilalagay ko lang siya dyan. Ay, wait. Yan ba? Tama nga. Dyan. And then, yeah, yan na. Ay, nakakatuwa. Perfect! I did it, guys. I did it. Yay! 2, 4, 6. Meron akong 6. Lalagay ng makeup. Plano ko sana today is ngayon siya i-organize lahat, but I don't think I will have time. Kasi, may dinner pa kami. It's already 1:40! And yung dinner 6:30. Darating dito si Dan mga 4. So, mag-ano lang ako, mag-start na ako maghanda. And ito yung papel. Yung papel pala kanina is para dito, oh. Para may label ka. But I don't think I will use that. It looks nice. Pero i-keep ko lang siya dyan. And siguro next time na mag-vlog ako, doon ko i-organize yung makeup ko. But for now, dito ka muna. Ligpitin natin lahat ng kalat ko. So guys, I'm getting ready and I put on my mascara and you guys, my eyelashes! Feeling ko talaga guys, yung serum talaga. Ginagamit ko yung Revitalash na maharlika siya guys. Pero it's very effective. I've been using it for so long. Kailan ba ako nagpaano? Last year pa guys. Siguro mga 8 months, 9 months na sa akin yun, na ginagamit ko siya. Nag-stop ako gamitin siya when I had my eyelash extensions on. Pero ngayon ginagamit ko na siya gabi-gabi talaga before ako matulog. I really like it guys. Like 1 coat lang yan ha. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kahaba yung lashes ko. Tingnan. I'm really liking it. Wala lang, napansin ko lang siya ng bonggang-bongga today. Kasi hindi ako nagmamaskara araw-araw eh. Kasi kapag nagme-makeup man ako, when I work, hindi ako nagmamaskara. But now, anyway, I will just continue getting ready. Mamaya pa naman kami aalis. Wala pa nga si Dani. The dinner is 6:30 and it's not even 4 yet. Isi-straight ko yung buhok ko today. Mag-apply na naman ako ng heat. And the blush that I'm using, guys, is the Color Clear Beauty Blusher from Me Now. And sobrang gustong-gusto ko tong blush na to. Na-feature ko to sa makeup and chika video ko. Ito yung gamit ko today. And very, ano lang siya. Can you even see it? Very subtle lang siya na blush. And yeah, I really like it. My favorite powder is another one from Becca as well. This is the Soft Light Blurring Powder. I love this one. This is the shade Golden R. And sobrang ganda niya sa mukha. I like it. My foundation, I used a combination of Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Sand and konting Double Lasting Foundation from Etude House kasi ito very light siya. And then ito parang dark siya ng sobrang slight lang. Maybe because it's winter na, but yeah, nagmix lang ako. Sa lips, hindi ko pa alam kung ano ilalagay ko sa lips ko, but we'll see. Ready na ako guys. Mag-heels ako today. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung outfit ko. Papafilm ko kay Dan. But, I'm not sure kung ito talaga yung susutin ko na lipstick. Kasi, ito yung Me Now na shade ay... Ano ba shade nito? Wait. Sandalay lang. Hala, naka-on pala yung lights dito. Sorry naman. Ano bang shade to? Patay. Dami naman ito. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko na alam, guys. Nilagay ko na kasi dito. Hindi siya yung pumpkin. Ano siya? Very dark na may pagka-orangey red. Red-orange na shade. Kaya lang hindi ko na siya mahanap. So, wale. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Mahirap na kasi siya tanggalin. Pero natatanggal siya kapag kumakain ka ng oily food. Ayoko lang na wala na akong magawa. Hindi sana siya yung susutin ko, pero mahirap kasi tanggalin. Anyway, okay lang yan. Yeah, si Dan nagbibihis na. Anong oras na ba? Wala akong relos eh. Malapit na siguro mag-6. Pupunta kami 6 kasi yung dinner 6:20.
Dang, we're here guys! That looks really fancy. That's where we're having dinner. Meron pa silang pa-lights, oh. I'm excited.
Jess said we have our own room, so we'll see. Can I tell them that this is your dating place?
One of them.
One of his dating place. When he was... Before me. I was gonna say when you were single, but obviously you were not single when you were dating here. How many girls did you bring here, babe?
1 million. Maybe 2 million, I don't know. I lost count.
2 million. Are you guapo?
I'm alright.
Oh, is that Kanika? No. No, that's not her. Look at this. The Bombay Bicycle Club. Ooh, fancy. Okay, so where are we going? Up? Sige. Yeah. This is so cool. Oops. But look at this, guys. Minimum food charge on Friday. 25 per person. Haven't seen it before. You wanna say hi? Hi! Randall's kids. Yay! You don't mind? Some
It's
people
only people.
doesn't want their
It's only
kids
people
to
in
be
Philippines mainly watching it. 80% of Philippines.
Randall and his wife. Minish, say hi.
You have to wave to subscribe.
And Karika, you're in here. Advik.
Yes, you have to look at the camera.
This is a
She
video.
forces me to do it.
They're posing.
Are we gonna be on YouTube?
Yeah, you're in
I'm
here.
gonna be famous.
Oh, come on.
Manish is single, so all the girls are interested. Leave your contact details below.
Oh, he's back. Oh.
Make sure you write it in English.
Show your
Yeah, you'll see this. I got my food. I got the garlic. No, I don't know. Something. Shrimp.
With the battery.
And then done. Kanika was taking pictures.
Are you taking my picture?
No, it's a video. This is the indecisive plate. They got 6 curry sauce and the naan bread.
Great idea.
Try it, Nathan. Is it good? Try this. We're just walking around and they have a lot of nice like areas here, guys. That's one. It's very like authentic something. Nice. Ooh, they have a big TV. Where?
That's it.
Oh yeah. The pokies. They're there.
Take the closer picture of the swing, this lion and all that stuff.
Yeah, that's nice. Look at those. Yeah, and the couch as well, like very vintage looking.
All of this is like, you know, their hand carving.
Oh yeah, that one. That's glass. That's cool. I like the swing.
Look
Yeah.
at that thing.
Oh yeah. Cool.
500, 500.
Yeah.
Then you just stopped. Why would you stop when you're killing it?
Hi guys! Nasa bahay na kami. Kanina pa actually. And pagdating namin, I washed my face and then I'm ready for bed. I'm gonna sleep kasi sobrang aga ko pa bukas. Like nakaset yung alarm ko 5:30. And it's already what, 11? So yeah. I need to get some sleep. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget me. Goodbye. Good night. Good night, babe.